Hello students, let's start with part 4 chapter 8 comparing quantities class 8 subject maths. Here let's talk about some discount, selling price and market price. So first of all, my market price is the mark price that is written on the article. Selling price is a shopkeeper's choice price, that what price he is selling to you, even if it applies some discount. So after discount, what is selling price? Or if he applying some taxes, and after taxes, what is selling price? So let's see some daily based question that we come across. Let's see them more. First of all, market price is 200 rupees, sorry, 1200 rupees. Discount is applied 15 percentage. Find selling price. So first of all, I'll show you method 1. This could be done with many method. Method 1, which is most easier one, right? So let's start with that. Method 1, discount 15%. That means what? 100 minus 15. Now discount that you will subtract, and if any tax is there, you will add. That goes as 85 percentage of that item one has to pay. So only 85 percentage of 1200 need to be paid, because you have got the 15 percentage discount. So 85 percentage, that means 85 upon 100 of that is into, correct, 0 0 cancel. So 85 into 12. I'll multiply. That is, the person has to pay only 1020 rupees for the article whose actual market price is 1200. So I need to pay only 1020 rupees after discount is applied. This is method 1. I'll teach you method 2 also. This is common method. Generally students prefer this because it is easy. What they do, they find the 15 percentage of this and then they subtract. So first of all, 15 percentage of 1200, that is 15 upon 100 of 1200. So 15 into 12. So that is 180. So 180 rupees is discount, correct? So what will be selling price? Selling price will be market price minus discount. So market price is 1200 minus 180. You have to write the units. So answer is 1020 rupees. So in the both the way you get the same method, same answer. Only methods are different. Method 2 has 2 steps. Method 1 you get directly the answer. So whichever you find comfortable, you can use that method. Fine. Let's do second question. Now purchase price is 1280 and market price is 1600 rupees. Find the discount and discount percentage, right? So first of all, discount, how much that person has received, that is 1600 minus 1280. So let's have subtraction. This is the purchase price. So huge discount is got. Pi minus 2 is 3 and 320 rupees discount is got. So first answer I received, that is 320 rupees discount. Now this is first answer. You need to find discount percentage. So for discount percentage, you have to find first discount that we have already found upon cost price. Remember, whenever you will find any discount percentage or something, that you always consider the cost price. Correct? You will always find with comparison with cost price into 100, as we are looking for percentage. So discount I received 320. Cost price is 1600, actual cost price or the market price is 1600 into this, right? 16 ones are 16 twos are and 20. So that is 20% of discount is been offered to the person. So discount percentage are 20%. So they can give either percentage and you have to find the selling price or the purchase price, or vice versa. They give you purchase price. They give you purchase price and you can find the discount percentage. Fine. Is that clear? Okay. We can search. We can find more examples such a way in the coming videos. I hope you have understood this.